We have been joining this expedition in the Great Gobi Desert to confirm once again that we can sequence anything, anywhere, anytime. It took more than a week to get here. We have been traveling with the cars all day long. We are exploring 5 or 6 different oases. We stay a couple of days or 3 maximum in each of them, and we analyze the samples that are catched by conservation biologists here. Setting up a genetic laboratory 5 or 6 times, you can imagine, is very much complicated because of the logistic, but also because of the environment that is not helping us very much. The difference in the temperature between the day and the night, the wind that are blowing, moving the dust anywhere in the laboratory, and of course the fact that you have to work in a tent in the desert. Let's go and see the lab. You can see the condition of this laboratory. The wind, everything is shaking, the dust, because we have to keep everything open in order to have a normal temperature inside here, because with the sun here it becomes very hot. And we are working in this condition here and trying to purify DNA in order to barcode the bats, and also to purify RNA in order to see if there is some coronavirus positive sample, and this is the sequencer. We will connect it, plug it to my computer, and in a couple of days we will be sequencing all the samples that we are preparing here. And here we are also testing the Voltrax that will do everything in order to prepare the material for the sequencing. So this is the present, this is the future. Actually, the future is already here. We are in our last oasis, and instead of building the classical green tent that we have been using in the last couple of weeks, yesterday we built up a ger, a typical Mongolian tent, and we set up the laboratory inside. Come and see. Today is our last day in the desert. Tomorrow, slowly, we start going back to Ulaanbaatar. We succeeded, but there are still things that need to be fine-tuned. But this, after all, is our job. So what we do, we push the technology at the limit, and we try to improve this limit for the future of genetics and biodiversity evaluation and conservation.